Hello guys, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. Hope you're all doing really well. We've got this 2016 brilliant black Audi A4 Avant. It's a 2-litre TDI Ultra Sport. It's got 78,978 miles and it's a diesel manual. Absolutely gorgeous car. It's got the 17-inch 7J 5-spoke Y design alloy wheels in the silver. Really good condition on the alloy wheels. It's got the electronic adjustable door mirrors, automatic activation halogen headlights with LED daytime running lights, and the automatic activation feature. There's a third alloy, and the last eye, it's got the green tint glazing all around, aluminium roof rails, it's got rear parking sensors with a powered tailgate, and it's got the sport suspension. To show you inside. Inside the vehicle, it's got the electronic adjustable windows, electronic adjustable door mirrors with the heat mechanism, storage compartment, powered tailgate button. It's got open and close. It's got charcoal black cloth seats. The automatic activation feature just there. It's got a multi-function steering wheel with features such as voice control, and there's also cruise control. There's the headlight indicator and the wiper indicator just there. It's got 78,978 miles on the clock. Moving on to the centre console, it's got features such as the driving select modes, which include efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. There's also the sound, and there's the radio, which includes DAB, FM and AM. There's the media, which is Bluetooth connected. So that's available. There's telephone preparation. There's sat-nav navigation within the local area. High resolution, very responsive. It's got Audi Connect, smartphone integration, and yeah, down at the bottom here it's got the dual zone air conditioning, front heated seats that drives the passenger side with 3 different settings. It's got stop and start, traction control off. It's got 12-volt plug socket, keyless push to start. It's got 2 cup holders, electronic parking brake, menu selector. It is a 6-gear knob. Down here it's got the 2 USB ports with auxiliary, but overall really lovely, comfortable car. I'll just show you the back. Just regarding the back of the vehicle, it's got the electronic adjustable windows, storage compartment, i6 preparation seats with a armrest. Got a digital air conditioning unit with a 12-volt plug socket, plenty of leg space as well for the passengers at the back. Like I mentioned, it does have a powered tailgate which works absolutely perfectly, no faults in the system at all. It's got a really big boot, it's got storage pockets at either side. Underneath here is a spare tyre as well, which is really good. But overall, really lovely car. There's a final look at the vehicle. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle, or information about your own part exchange or finance in the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.